Hey everyone, hi, welcome to this course of learning Agentic AI. So, in the first two part, I have built a Chrome plugin using Cursor and just integrated Gemini API as part of it. And what I had done is, if user tries to interact here something, then I will just call the Gemini API. Now, as part of third session, I wanted to build a basic version of Agentic AI. So basically, what does Agentic AI mean? So if you see, in case of LLM, there is no ongoing context and it's a single interaction thing. It just predict the next token or next text for you. But when agent comes, so there are basically three pillars of agentic behavior. So goal directed behavior, interactive capability, and autonomous decision making. So actually, with the help of agents, we can reason, we can reason, and we can use memory to pass the context, and it can take autonomous action, means without human intervention. It can decide on its own, like what path to take. So yeah, let me show you a quick demo. Okay, so here we have a input window. So this is and there is a dashboard here, which will tell you your predicted task, and it has a profile and insight section where it will check your name, profession, current mood, and work style. So now what I'm trying to do is, whatever user will type in here, I will try to process it and will update the to-dos under predicted task, and I will try to update the profile and insight sections here. And under agent traces, I will try to log all the LLM calls here. So basically what we are trying to do is, we are trying to query a LLM. Then LLM will return me like what tools to call, and then based on the tool result, I will query the LLM second time, and again there is a tool call, again we'll make query LLM three times. So basically that's what we are trying to do here. So here what I will do is, whatever I will interact here, this will extract, this will this will check, like if user is typing any personal info, it will save it in the profile and insight. Or and if user is typing something for which he has to do something, then it will go into predicted task section. Okay, so let me give you a quick example. So if I say, hi, I'm Rishikesh, how are you? Okay, uh, let me quickly inspect it also. Network tab. Okay, now let me, it's a general chat and it's saying, hello Rishikesh, I'm here to assist you. So now if you see here, there are two Gemini calls has been made. So in the first call, the response was that I have to call a tool, and the tool name is profile.save_insights. So this I have created in my code base, and actually this method, what it's doing is, it's saving whatever you pass in the arguments, it's saving in the dashboard. And once it's saved it, again I'm calling the Gemini, and this time it's giving me the final answer. So it saved it and it gave me the final answer saying that, okay, hello Rishikesh, I'm here to assist you. So now if you see, if I go back and click on dashboard and come at the bottom, you see now my name is got added here. It got saved because of that call. So now let me go back to chat window and let me type here, I am feeling depressed, I will go for jogging tomorrow for 10 kilometers. What do you think? So now if you see what's happening in the background, see we are making 3 extra calls, okay, and it's saying that's a great idea, Rishikesh. Exercise can be very helpful for lifting your mood. Now when we come here, you can see it's calling this tool called profile.save insights. So I'm depressed, so it's taking the personal info depressed from here and it will update the profile insights. And once this call is done, again it's calling this, and here see it understood that okay, I have to go for jog tomorrow. So there is a to do call, so it's making a to do call and it's updating the to dos, and in the third it gave the final answer. So now if I click on back and click on dashboard, see predicted task is go for a 10-kilometer jog tomorrow, and if you see it's saying depressed and work style and not set. And if I just do some simple query like hi, how are you, hope all well, okay, I'm present in the moment, hope you are finding peace in this moment as well. There is only one call which gave me the final answer. There is no to do, there is no personal info here, so it got updated here. So yeah, so basically it's a simple I was trying to experiment with simple LLM calls, just adding a to do's and adding my profile and insights here, and uh, and I am storing everything in local storage. If you see here, storing everything in local storage, and this conversation threads, I'm using it to maintain the session, and task categories, predicted task, user profile, and all other things. Okay, so yeah, so here I'm tracing the agent. So if you see, if I go here, it will tell you like I'm present in the moment. So this is the final answer, this one also is the final answer, and it was getting called from interaction to final answer. So interaction is just an agent, the name that I've given. So orchestrator is what orchestrating everything, calling all the prompts, calling the tool, and all those things is done by orchestrator. So yeah, so here see interaction is calling the tool call. Yeah, so all those things are happening. So yeah, so this is the basic agentic AI that I've implemented. um, so yeah, let me know your thoughts. You can try this on predict next task virtual app. I have deployed it here, so you can always go to this website and try this out. So first you have to fill your API key here, and based on that you can start chatting here. Okay, thank you everyone. So see you soon. Thank you.